Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello everyone, myself Prachi Solanki from the Zeal College of Engineering. Our project name is Cyano Game using C++. My other group members are Sarthak, Prerna, Yashashri and Snehal. The purpose of this project was create a program that would simulate several casino games while giving the player the ability to save and load data. In this, we have to give a number and if the number is matched with winning number, you will win money. So now let's to have a quick look at a chart made by a team. So now let's see our program.
So this is our code. As you can see, we have used various type of libraries, dictionaries and data types for the various type of numeral and character values. We have also used do while loops and if and else statement for the decision making part of the program. So this is a program and now let me show you how it works. At the start of the game, it asks you the player's name. Then it asks you the amount you want to invest. And then at last, they ask you the amount you want to bet and the number you want to guess. So let's say now I'm guessing the number 5. And I guess I'm in luck. The winning number was 5. So I won 1,000 rupees. So again, I want to continue to play. So I'm pressing Y. And again, they ask you the amount you want to bet. And again, the number you want to guess. I am guessing number 4. Oops, I lost. The winning number was 9 and I lost my amount which I kept on betting. And you can continue to play this game unless and until your balance is 0. And again, the game asks you whether you want to continue to play this game or not. Right now, I don't want to play, so I'm pressing no. So yeah, this is our game and this was our project.
The goal behind this project is to creating casino game which is played across whole world, and as this game is played online, so the risk of being physically present is reduced. This program is created by using C++ language, which is high level oriented language, and we have created this game using various type of function on Turbo C++. So this is our flowchart, and as you can see, we have used unique logics which help us to run the program smoothly. We have also used do while loops and different type of functions.
The conclusion is that we have successfully created the casino guessing game using C++ programming language, and the user don't have to worry about the pre-knowledge and he can play this game anytime, anywhere. This is our project created under the guidance of Dr. Prasad Halgaonkar sir. Thank you.